Hello everyone, this is Zahabia from Z Calligraphy. Today we will see how to write Hello November. Let us start by drawing our baseline first, and once we are done, from the baseline take 2 centimeter distance and let's draw that, which will be our waistline. We start writing our word November with a pencil first. Then we will write the word hello in for calligraphy and capital, and make changes to make it fit according to the space. I am using the Flair brush pens today. They are really good brush pens for a beginner in calligraphy, and we'll start writing our quote with the brush pen. Make sure that we go slowly when we are writing our quote so as to not make mistakes. Next, I'm going to use a micron pen in 08 number to write hello in block letters and make the downstrokes thicken for calligraphy. You can use any elements of your choice to fill in the downstrokes. I have used hearts here. Next, we will go over our word November once more and start adding shadows as and when necessary to make our calligraphy pop out and look more beautiful. Subscribe to Z Calligraphy to get more videos on how to do shadows, how to do brush pen calligraphy, for calligraphy, and lots more.